If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome folks. Larry's Fountain Pen. Today is mail call day. And I personally want to thank Josh, Nick, and their father for sending me this pen, which I'm going to be reviewing in detail within the next week or so. Right now, I want to do the unboxing, show you what's inside, but then when I do the review, I want to talk not just about the pen, about the family, about the dream, and how they want their customers to be totally satisfied. So here we go with the unboxing. Here we go. It does go packaged good. Well, time for the old rusty blade to come out. Okay. There we go. And this little baby comes well packed. That's for sure. All right. Open, open, open. I'm going to bust it. Going to bust it. Okay. Well, Mr. Announcer, how was your day in school?
It was rather well.
Anything new or old to add?
No, just getting used to all the new sanitation rules.
Okay, here we go. We're going to open up the box. And this is what comes in the box, in which I will go over everything again when I do the full review. Card. Paper clip, which is cool. I use those. Thanking you for the business. A postcard of Birmingham Pen Company, which is awesome. In the back. And you get Birmingham cool magnetic stickers or signs, which is pretty cool. Put that on your fridge or anything magnetic. Yep, I like that. That's cool. And last but not least, another of the Birmingham company. And I think, well, you got two of these.
Coasters, I would guess.
Yes, coasters, which I use. Believe it or not, I use it. And I will use these more often because these are cool coasters. These are about pens. So far, looking good. And as you see, well packed in here. Now with this, I got
inks.
not just one, not just two, but 3 bottles of ink, and I'll let Mr. Announcer read the colors of the ink. I guess I'll have to open them up.
Yeah, I was going to say, there doesn't appear to be a label on the outside.
Okay, so let me open them up.
Ooh, okay. This one is Salmon Hors d'oeuvre.
Can't wait to get into that one.
Here is Slag Gray.
And like I said, I will be doing a full review on these inks as well.
And this one is, Fountain Turquoise. That sounds nice.
Yeah, that's hot. Well, so far, it all looks tasty. Now, here comes the heart, the spirit of Birmingham pens. And those words I say will be in the review why I said those words. Those words are special words, not just words. And you see the Birmingham t-shirt? It's pretty cool, isn't it? They have come a long way. I'll put this aside. And here how the pen comes in. Okay, take off the sleeve here. It's a real nice sleeve. I like that. I do like the presentation of this pen. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Very impressive. I do like the artwork that's put into it. It's just really sweet.
I think I'd like that logo would make a really nice belt buckle.
It would. Now here is the pen. Now this, you can read that if you like.
Accoutrements.
And this, you can read that if you like.
Writing instrument.
All right. So there's something in here. Trick or treat. And this is very important, which I will put this in the review. I do like that. Yes. Now, let's get the star of the show out. Are you all ready? Here we go. Let me get some pads here. Here they are, right here. And I'm going to use my good old peanuts. Right there. Here we go.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous fountain pen. Wow. That is to die for. Birmingham Pen Company. Wow. Totally awesome.
Also,
what do you think?
It's very large.
I like that girth on it.
How is the weight?
I'll get, the detail. It's not a heavy pen, but just for the heck of it, let me just get one of my Conklin, All-American Conklin duographs out and run that by right here. So here's the Conklin duograph, and here's that. It's a little bit bigger, but I'll do the pen comparison and all that good stuff in the review. This is a gorgeous fountain pen. And I'm not just whistling Dixie. This is stunning, very stunning. Look at this beautiful acrylic resin, just gorgeous. And I will go over the details that's in the barrel. I'll tell the whole story about this pen. Nice looking nib. And it does come with a converter. So, lots to talk about on this review. On the Beetlejuice, about the Birmingham Company, about the Birmingham family that runs the company, owns the company, operates the company. And that's going to do it, my friends. I hope you found this pen mill interesting. I know I have. Very interesting. And until my next review, keep your eyes open for this jewel coming up. It's going to be exciting. And if you're a pen enthusiast, if you're a pen lover, even if you're just getting into pens, if you fell down the rabbit hole, any of that, or all above, this may be right up your alley. Wow. I'll tell you what I like about this pen and what I don't like about the pen as well. And I can tell you right now, this is a jewel of a pen. Thank you, folks. Hey, keep safe out there. God bless. Take care of yourself. Keep those hands washed. And as always, my good friends, a lot of peace and a lot of love. Get that heart going for each and every one of you. And as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.
Okay, stay down.